You know what's funny? I spent my first 3 years as a developer chasing deadlines, pushing code like a hero, until one day a small change in a production API crashed an entire customer dashboard. I thought I was doing everything right, but looking back now, I was missing a lot. Today, I want to share 5 lessons I seriously wish I took earlier in my dev career, each backed by a mistake that cost me time, energy, and yeah, a few sleepless nights. Lesson 1. Write tests, even when it feels unnecessary. Let's go back to my second year as a dev. We were building a multi-step form to collect user data, kind of like a sign-up wizard. Everything worked fine locally. Then the QA guy comes and says, form breaks when users go back and then forward again, and I'm like, who does that? But here's the thing, they do. And I hadn't written any unit or integration tests to catch such edge cases. It took me 3 extra days to fix something I could have caught in 3 minutes with proper tests. Lesson I learned. Don't treat tests as extra work. It's your safety net, especially when you revisit code months later. Lesson 2. Learn the why behind frameworks, not just the how. This one hit me hard when I first worked with Entity Framework in .NET Core. I copied some LANG queries from Stack Overflow, worked great for small data. But when we ran it with production data, the performance tanked. Turns out, I had written a tow list before filtering, which fetched everything from the DB first. Had I understood how EF converts LINQ to SQL, I would have optimized it easily. Lesson I learned. Don't just use tools and frameworks. Understand the why behind them. It'll save you from invisible performance killers. Lesson 3. Don't build what's already built. Well, I once had this genius idea to build a custom logging system. I didn't like how Serilog worked. I thought, how hard can it be? I wrote log levels, a JSON formatter, and file output, until my system crashed because I missed thread safety during async writes. It was a painful reminder. There are thousands of hours behind open source libraries. My few weekends of effort couldn't match that. Lesson I learned. Use battle-tested libraries unless your use case is unique. Your job is to solve problems, not reinvent tools. Lesson 4. Ask questions, even if you feel dumb. During a sprint, we were using a new event-driven architecture. My senior asked, "Are you comfortable with the concept of message queues?" I nodded. I had no clue. I fumbled through code, broke message contracts, and caused delays. Eventually, I had to ask for help, which I should have done day one. No one made fun of me. They appreciated that I was honest. Lesson I learned. Mid-level devs often feel they should know it all. But the real strength? Knowing when to ask and being open to learn. Lesson 5. Take ownership, not just of code, but of impact. This one changed my entire mindset. We had a bug in our payment service. I fixed it. Cool. But then I noticed another service was still failing. Most would say, that's not my module, but I dug deeper. Turned out, a tiny validation I added was causing it. I fixed it. Wrote a shared doc. Added a test case for future devs. That moment, my tech lead told me, you're not just solving bugs now. You're thinking like an engineer. Lesson I learned. Start thinking about the impact of your work, not just the code. That's how you grow from a coder to a problem solver. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Key lessons I wish I had taken earlier. Lesson 1. Write tests even if you think it's working fine. Future you will think present you. Lesson 2. Understand the why behind frameworks. Performance issues often live in hidden corners. Lesson 3. Use existing tools where it makes sense. Time is better spent solving business problems. Lesson 4. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Everyone starts somewhere. Lesson 5. Take ownership beyond your code. Impact matters more than individual tasks. If you're in your mid-dev phase, applying these will help you grow fast and smart. If any of these lessons hit home or reminded you of a similar experience, drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other's journeys. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your dev squad. Catch you in the next one. And until then, keep building, keep learning, keep growing.